Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Nokia 105 from 2023. So first let's take a look on the box. Right here we got the device name. At the bottom we can also find the other colors of this model. So in my case that's the black. And here we got the base specification. Now when you go inside, first of all we can find our smartphone. And the accessories are right here. That's the micro USB charger. You cannot actually unplug this cable. And from here we've got the battery. That's the 1000 milliampere hours and the user manual. Now for sure let's take off this battery from the foil, and I'm gonna input it into the phone so we can check if it actually works. Okay, never mind. That's the phone. To open this back cover, we've got this cutout, so we can input our fingernail. Right here we can input the two SIM cards. That's the normal size, so you cannot input nano or micro SIM cards. You will have to get the big cards, and there's like no place to input the SD card. That's how you can properly install the battery with the Nokia logo at the top. Okay, that's actually weird because as you can see that's the red color of the phone, but on the box it shows me that it's actually black. So we have to turn it on by using this button, and after a few seconds of holding the button the phone will be turned on. We can also find the headphone jack, the micro USB port, and the flashlight. At the top we can find the phone call speaker, and the device is not turned on, so I guess the battery is fully discharged. So let's try to power on this device one more time and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, here we got the Nokia sound, and from here we can actually perform the first setup, and after picking the language we can set the clock, and after this we can use the phone. So that's how it looks. It's pretty small. You can actually easily hold it in your hand and navigate with the buttons even when you have small hands. And if you wonder about some base functions, let me open the menu. So from here we've got the call logs, contacts, alarm, flashlight, the messages, radio, calculator, calendar, snake, racing attack game, Tetris, settings, other games, and that's basically it. It looks like there's no any application like the WhatsApp, Facebook, or something like this. So that's all for the quick unboxing and quick overview of the Nokia 105 from 2023. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.